Alright, hello everybody. We're going to fix these gradebooks really quick. We're going to go over and we're going to click on gradebook. And you can see that there's no grades in there, so we're going to go over here to bulk edit, the three dots and bulk edit. And we're going to check our two things. We're going to check category and make sure it's assigned to something. That's got assignments. And then we're going to check period. We've got no grading period. Not good. Alright, so we're going to change that. We just click on the box right there and we're going to choose 2019-2025. We're going to go through and change all of these. I wish it went this fast in real life. Now here's the big key. Make sure when you're done changing the page, hit Save Changes. If you move to another page, you don't get all your changes. So it saves, you get a little green thing, changes have been saved, and then we're going to move to the next page and do it again. Again, I wish this was real life, this is tedious, and then make sure you save changes. And that's it. Now you'll be able to see your students' notifications.